I'm into international trading business. We have our company in Dubai, and but I live in India. I'm handling the entire business from India. My team is also in India. We have some team, a skeletal team in Dubai, and from our team here in India, we are tapping the customers of entire world. Right now through LinkedIn, I have at least I think 400 leads, 400 leads that we are talking to right now in Latin America, Africa, Indonesia, and Europe. So you know, sky's the limit now. I feel कि घर से बैठ के I can tap the entire world. And just to share with you some numbers, through LinkedIn, we've already tapped some 400 leads, and lot of leads got converted into business. When I was doing the digital marketing course, at that time only I had got a business of $1 million through the connections which I made through LinkedIn. And abhi to sky is the limit. Yesterday only I was talking to him how to get more response from the customers which we have connected through LinkedIn. So every day he's there to support you anytime you need. So that's the best part I like about this digital marketing course, because Manuj is such a wonderful person. He does such good hand holding. Whatever questions you have in mind, you be ready with your questions and he will answer, and he will help you how to sail through, how to crack your markets. So that's all I can say about this program. I think $6 million to ho chuka hai. I mean, once we've connected, I've got many suppliers through LinkedIn. We are working with them, we are buying from them, and then we've got many customers through LinkedIn and we are selling to them. So numbers are really large. We are not even now measuring, but it's a big business which we have done through leads of LinkedIn.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.